Happy 2023, everyone. I wanted my first post to be a post of gratitude. You know, at the end of 2021, I had 100 and something followers. And then by the end of 2022, I had a little over 500 followers. And you may be saying, Dr. T, that's not even a large number. There's people out there with thousands and millions of followers. But I'm reminded of Zechariah 4:10 in the New Living Translation version of the Bible that says, "Do not despise these small beginnings. The Lord rejoices to see the work begin," where some versions says, "Who dares to despise the day of small beginnings?" And all that means is that God sometimes uses small beginnings, a process, step by step, to get us to our destination, get us to that greater thing that He has for us. Sometimes He gives us to us in one lump sum, but many times it's a process and a step by step. And the small beginnings helps us to build character, helps us to learn skills, helps us to depend more on God, and makes us more grateful for when we get to that bigger and greater destination. For me, it's not about followers. I'm being very intentional in my life at this phase in making impact. And so I'm excited for what Jesus is doing. I'm excited for what God is doing. Listen, we are just getting started. And I know if God is in my life, if God is leading me, if God is leading you, we already have the victory.